Recently bought this Apollo air mattress for use here in Arizona. I'm looking for something that's lightweight. This one is only 17 something ounces and it has an R value of 5. Let's open it up and take a look at just how small this air mattress is. I wanted something small, lightweight, and that was going to be rugged. I looked at the reviews and the Gear Doctors are the way to go. Come in this nice pouch. It'll open up. Got this lightweight pouch and the air mattress itself. You can use this with an inflator or with this bladder. So you don't need to carry anything electronic for this air mattress. You can just use this inflating bladder. Doesn't weigh much, it's just a piece of nylon and it all folds up. That's why I bought this Apollo air mattress. Hope this helps.